Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a report in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to search for our reports tab. So from here, you can access your reports. If you don't find it, just go to the app launcher and search for reports. So now you can either create your own report or choose any other reports that you have. So I'm just going to create a new one, and from there I'm just going to search for account in contacts, and I can just start this report. I'm just going to click on start. You can find all the included uh, fields of the contact. So here I'm going to start this one, and you can have this removed, or this filter that would be removed if you want, and then you will need to run your report. So from here, I'm just going to set all the contacts, and from here, you will need just to go and export your report. So here, we click on this quick action button, and then we will find export. By clicking on export, you will see this export view. In some type of report, you can find the formatted view. So then you will need just to choose the format of your export. You can choose a specific encoding type, and then you will need to click on export. Then you will have your file that will be start downloading. You click on download, and you will have your report that will be exported successfully into your computer or into your machine. So simply those are the steps how to export a report. Thank you for watching and see you next time.